If you feel difficulty, that sum I can solve here, right here.
The last sum.
Last sum, 4 integer 3 upon 7 wala, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll solve it right here. Wait a moment. Okay, chalo. The last sum is this. Barabar na? This
Yes.
one. Okay, this is our sum. 4 integer 3 upon 7. So our first step is 7 will be multiplied with 4 and added to 3 upon 7, divided as it is, and 7 upon 1 as it is. Any doubt? Can I write 7 upon 1?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, 7 upon 1 as it is. Chalo. Now 7 fours are 28 plus 3, 31 upon 7, divide by 7 upon 1 as it is. Okay? Any doubt here?
No.
No. Okay. Chalo. Now what will be our next step?
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal. What is pronounced as reciprocal? So this 31 upon 7 will be as it is. This division will convert to multiplication, which will be 1 upon 7. Now check out, do we have anything that it is cross cut or upper niche, up and down? Is it cutting or dividing with each other?
No, sir.
No. So now we can easily multiply it. 31 ones are 31 and 7 sevens are 49. Now 31 upon 49, is it a proper fraction or improper fraction? $49 માર્ક્સની ટેસ્ટમાંથી 31 માર્ક્સ તો આવી શકે ને? કે ના આવી શકે?
આવી શકે.
આવી શકે.
So you are being cleared with the content that this is a proper fraction and this can be as our answer. Okay? See here. Do we have correct answer here? What we did? This sum 31 upon 49. Any doubt, boys? Boys, any doubt? Bacha party?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Chalo, very good. Let's do the next question. Question number 4. Chalo, question number 4. Find, again, the sum is divided, but now fractions to fractions, okay? 2 upon 5 divide by 1 upon 2. Okay. Now what is our first step, boys? Who will tell me? What will be our step? Hello?
Yes, sir. Reciprocal.
What will be our step? Our first step will be reciprocal. So 2 upon 5 again will be as it is. This division will convert to multiplication and 1 upon 2 will become 2 upon 1. Any doubt? Now check out 2 upon 5. Is it comfortable to cut with each other? No, there is nothing that it will be cut. So 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5. 4 upon 5. Is it a proper fraction or improper? Is it a proper fraction or improper fraction?
So proper.
proper. So exactly, we can say that you got a correct answer. There is no need of changing this with any other terms, right? So we can keep this as our answer as a proper fraction. Any doubt here?
No,
Any
sir,
doubt
no
here,
doubt.
boys? Okay, very good. Chalo. Chalo. Now you find out by your own. If you are feeling any uncomfortable with any sum with this question, I can solve it right here in front of you. Please check out. Will you be able to do all the sums?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, sure.
Okay, good. Sure. Let's do the next question. Exercise 2.5. Question number 1. Chalo fata. Which one is greater? 0.5 or 0.05? Which one is greater?
0.5.
Yes, 0.5 is greater. How you will get this? J decimal pela J number hoy ne, the first place value will be commonly taken into grant. First place માં શું છે બંનેમાં 0 so we cannot compare. Then it is decimal, okay. After decimal, over here it is 5 and here it is 0. 0 is greater or 5 is greater?
5 better.
Sir, 5.
5 is greater. So for that purpose, 0.5 is greater. Understood? For this purpose, 0.5 is greater. Now, what will be the method? Can I say that to remove this decimal, I have to take 1 0 in denominator? And to remove decimals from here, I have to take 2 zeros in denominator here. 5 upon 100. Am I right? Am I correct or wrong? Am I correct or wrong? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
To remove this decimal, I have to take 0 in denominator at both the ends, 0.5. So 5 upon 10, 0.05. So 5 upon 100. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now take the LCM of 10 and 100. 10
Yes,
and 100
sir.
will be 100. The LCM will be 100. So this 5 upon 10 has to reach 200. So we have to multiply by 10. So this has to be multiplied by 10 also. And this 100 itself is 100. So 100 ones are 100 and 5 ones are 5. So what you will get exactly? 50 upon 100 and 5 upon 100. Now 100 common denominator. So now can we compare which one is greater number by checking the numerator? The greater numerator will be the greater fraction. Am I correct?
500. Yes.
So what 500? 50 upon 100 is greater than 5 upon 100. So 50 upon 100 is for whom?
50. 5 upon
0.5
100 greater.
is greater than 0.05. Am I correct?
Yes.
Any doubt here, boys?
No.
Sure.
Yes.
Now come again. Let me clear you, Zaki, that if you compare, if the denominators are same, how can we compare the which one is greater? The numerator, the number which has a greater number will be the greatest fraction. Are you getting? समझाई છે क्या नहीं? Yes or no? If no, then I have the way to explain. If yes, then I will be moving
Yes,
ahead. Okay. So if we are having common denominators, we can say that we can compare this by checking to the numerator which one is greater number, right? That will be the greatest fraction. Correct? Are you getting, boys?
yes,
So now, if we check here, 5 upon 10, this is for your knowledge I am presenting you, 5 upon 100. Now, can you see the numerator is common? Numerator is equal, 5, 5. Can you see here? Are they equal or not?
yes, no,
Sorry?
yes, sir, it is equal.
So when numerator is equal, we have to check the denominator. The smaller number will be the greater number. So exactly 5 upon 10 is મોટું થયું ને?
Yes, sir, આ વસ્તુમાં આપણે પહેલા કરી દીધા.
I already explained you when I was teaching at that time. I explained you this. Chalo, it's okay. Now check out which one you would like uncomfortable. I will solve that right here in the class.
So no,
Will you be able to solve this?
yes, sir.
For sure, boys?
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay. So we are moving to question number 2. So question 2 is here. Chalo, very easy questions. 7 paisa express as rupees using decimals. Come on, boys, now. We have to express that in decimals to get in rupees. હવે મોટાથી નાનું હોય, at that time શું કરવાનું આવતું હતું મોટાથી નાનામાં? For example, we are having King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. Kilometer to meter જવાનું હોય. So it is from bigger unit to smaller one. At that time, we have to multiply. Are you getting? When we have meter, rupees, paisa, etc., etc. From there, if we want to go with towards kilometers, so નાનાથી મોટું જવાનું છે. At that time, we have to do what?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
At that time, we have to do what?
Sir, I can't understand this full song.
Okay, let me clear you. If I say King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. If I say King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. So you understood this when I taught you on the board that K stands for kilometer, H stands for hectare, deca, M stands for meter. समझ पड़ा है? D stands for decimeter, C stands for centimeter, M stands for millimeter, and every word has a difference of 10 to each. If you do remember, hello.
Yes, sir.
So now what is the content to be recognized? The content to be recognized is if we are in kilometer, we have to reach to meter. So mota unit thi nana unit jઈએ છે આપણે. At that time we have to multiply the things. સમજાણું? If the difference is of 10, 10, 10, so we have to multiply 10, 10, 10 means 1000. સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં? 10 into 10 into 10. Are you getting my point? The difference is 1, 2, and 3. From kilometer to meter, we have to reach 3 times of tens. So 3 times the tens will be multiplied. So it will be multiplied as 1000. Am I correct or wrong?
Correct.
Okay, bacha party. Now, same way, if we have meter and if we want to go towards kilometers, so from smaller unit to, we are moving this towards bigger unit. At that time, we have to divide. What we have to do? Divide. That means 1 upon 1000 it will be. समझ पड़े छे? We have to divide.
Yes.
That you will come to know once we start with the first expression, rupees and paisa. You will come to know how to go through. Chalo, express as rupees using decimal 7 paisa. The first number is 7 paisa. 7 paisa. So how to convert this? We know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So how much rupee will be there if we have 7 paisa? Understood? Cross multiply. 7 paisa multiply by 1 rupee upon 100 paisa. Any doubt here with this sum? Any doubt, boys? What we did, we multiplied. We have to do cross multiplication here. 1 rupee means 100 paisa. Boys? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Where is this Asaria brothers? And who the hell is sleeping? Burani Mehdi Hassan.
Yes, sir.
Are you studying mathematics? Useless fellow. And you idiots, Asaria brothers, you all are not answering me. Abdur Rahman. Am I teaching for myself? Ali Asgar Rajani. You do one thing, if you know this, you can do this by your own. I'm sorry. Your portion for mathematics is chapter 1 and chapter 2, and that will be for FA1 exam. All the best. You can continue rest of the exercise, rest of the sums by your own. Okay? Okay, boys? Okay, boys?
Yes, sir.
What, yes, sir? Nonsense. I am shouting like anything, idiots. Do one thing. I am leaving this class right here. Have a nice time, boys.
સર વયા ગયા. હાલો ક્લાસ પૂરો થઈ ગયો. ખુદા હાફિઝ. સ્ટોપ રેકોર્ડિંગ.